I'm recording it as a movie.
I mean, that's what I want.
It's happening.
I have mine stuck in my pocket.
Come on, Riley. Come here, old yeller. Yoo. Riley.